Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today I'm very excited to be sharing with you this commemorative wedding coin from the Royal Mint. So as you can see by here, this is the front of the packaging, which comes in the classic Royal Mint handbag. And again, this is the back of the packaging, but we'll get more into that in a second. So this is the Royal Wedding 2018 UK £5 Brilliant Uncirculated coin for the wedding of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. So as usual, what I'm going to do now is just open up my own packaging by here, get the coin out, so that you never need to open up yours, but you'll always be able to see exactly what was inside of the packaging. So here we go. This is the packaging with the outer packaging off. And again, the back. So what I'll do is I'll just slot out the coin by here. And we'll come back onto this in a second, because that'll have the coin specifications on the back. But what we're going to do is just go through all of this as usual. And I shall open up each page and hover on it long enough just so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. So yeah, the Royal Wedding has obviously now been and gone, but I bought this coin probably about a month ago. Couldn't resist. I thought it's a nice little piece of history. I actually quite like the design on the coin itself as well. So yeah, just some images by here and a bit more writing towards the end by here. So yeah, it was obviously a very successful day for the royals, and I'm sure that everybody tuned in at some point to have a watch of that on their television. It's always a bit of fun just to see occasions like that, especially when they're broadcasted to the nation. And I do believe that the royal family is very popular overseas as well, so I can only imagine that the viewing figures worldwide were absolutely crazy. But yeah, back round to the front by there. So before we get back into the coin itself, let's just have a look at the coin specifications. So I'll just pause that piece there long enough so that you can have a read of that. And let's get into them. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The diameter 38.61 millimeters. The weight is 28.28 grams. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. And then the obverse and reverse designer is Jodie Clark. So there we go. Just to show you off again, the back there and back to the front. So that's quite nice. This is quite sturdy. This is really good condition. Bit of writing on the side there so you can put it onto a bookcase or however you store your coins. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So we'll start off with the reverse of the coin. So there we go. I'll just get that nicely in the light there. And just wanted to point out, the first thing that struck me when I saw this at the Royal Mint before I purchased it was just how clear the detail is. I mean, even the fact that in the minting process, it's picked up, I don't know if you can see that there, but Harry's beard, just how detailed that is. But yeah, I think that this is stunning. So there we are, Royal Wedding, 19th of May, 2018, Harry and Meghan. Okay, so let's have a look at the other side of the coin. So yeah, look at that. Look how shiny that is. That is absolutely stunning. Good, brilliant, uncirculated finish. But yeah, really like this coin. I'm not sure if it'll go up in value or not, but it's just something nice to keep. A little keepsake. It's a little bit of history, like I said. Something to pass down to future generations. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think of this coin. Did you buy it yourself? But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you're going to buy it, because it's still actually available. But please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.